I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident I win till the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick other niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had to move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're bringing our city back.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Benny G Buckets
and George, aka Stick.
And we're back to business as usual.
Today, guys, we're gonna be doing something pretty freaking dope. We're not gonna tell you any information on the shoe. We're not gonna tell you how we're gonna do it and walk through the steps. We're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this time-lapse video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you do, let us know once they're done. Let's get it.
You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. You got slow feet, I would wanna be ya. I'm expensive, I'm high like some reefer. Collect my deposits from divas. I'm buzz down, you know the procedure. I fly, no landing. My diamonds are dancing. Hey, go get some money with your broke ass. Skirt, skirt, I do the dash. I'm with all of that. Hey, go get some money with your broke ass. All that fake and that flag, you get no. You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
You made it clear that you tired of my fuckery. If I wasn't that nigga, would you still fuck with me? If I lost it all, would you still be in love with me? If you knew about my past, would you still want my company? Psych, I ain't here for your feelings or your heartbeats. Accepting fees when you in need of this hard dick. If you looking for my love, then you in the wrong department. You say you love me, I beg your pardon. Your love is plastic too, we have an understanding. This dick fantastic, she love me but she can't stand me. Oh, I know you can't stand me. I'm too fly and don't plan on landing.
No, you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
Oh, I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so it is so fancy. Run the bands, I'm tryna run these bands up. TNO, I see why they can't stand us. Goonies go, got bitches going aimless. We rockin' shows, we can do this shit for days, bruh. We gon' shut it down, alright. Oh, it's going down all night. Shorty P, she might get down on sight, but she say she can't stand me.
You can't stand me, these bitches gon' choose. So bitch unhand me, so I can move. No, you can't have me, I'm not that dude. So you can't stand me, I make my own moves. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy. I know you can't stand me. My buzz down so fancy.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people.
Ooh, where I come from, it ain't ain't peaceful. So I'm sliding with a weapon that's lethal. On the hunt for the evil. And that's the cops, cause they ain't treating us equal. They kill a black and get away like it's legal. They get away like it's legal. So many times, since way back, it's a sequel. It's pure facts, most crackers deceitful. We need unity in this world like crackheads need they needle. It's enough heart to spread around to the needful. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like what's wrong with my people. I'm too solid to ever switch. Don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when all my trust in his ego, huh? And I ain't never told my nigga. Lips sealed so my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on my illa. Rather do 100 years than a whole, my nigga.
Never fall, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people.
Alright, Theo, that's the end of this video.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, do us a huge favor. Go to that comment section and let us know how you truly felt about the video because we would really, really appreciate it, guys.
And I mean, me and your boy George don't watch Dragon Ball, but I mean, we can agree that was a pretty fresh custom.
It came out pretty sick. And if you guys feel the same way, go to that comment section and let us know now. Before we let you guys go, we do want to encourage you to check out our description because we have all our information there. And also, never forget to check out SPR15.com where you can purchase fresh merchandise such as this shirt right there and also find a lot of steals. As you guys can see, we have heat in the back for sale. So check out SPR15.com.
And today's snippet of motivation is, what's true is known and does not need to be stated. So from your boys here at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
It's only one way.
Legate.
Collect my deposits from divas. I'm bust down, you know the procedure. I fly, no landing.
We're banner.